Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to our lecturer Puan Nurbaini binti Muhammad and my beloved friends. By the way, thanks for being here today. Today, our group gonna talk about some of the information of trigonometry. Firstly, let me introduce you to my group members. First, Nadia Husna binti Muhammad Zainuddin, Muhammad Aidil Azman bin Abdul Aziz, Chandra anak lelaki Dorai Raju, and lastly, Muhammad Iman Najmi bin Muhammad Nasir, which is me. Let's recognize what is trigonometry. Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that studies relationships between the sides and angles of triangle. Trigonometry is found all throughout geometry, as every straight-sided shape may be broken into as a collection of triangles. Further still, trigonometry has astoundingly intricate relationships to other branches of mathematics, in particular complex numbers, infinite series, logarithms, and calculus. Here's some of the history of trigonometry. The word trigonometry is a 16th century Latin derivative from the Greek words for triangle, trigonon, and measure, metron. To the field emerged in Greece during the 3rd century before Christ. Some of the most important contributes, such as the sine function, came from India in the 5th century Anno Domini. Before early trigonometric works of ancient Greece have been lost, it is not known whether Indian scholars developed in trigonometry independently or after Greek influence. According to Victor Cates in A History of Mathematics, 3rd edition by Pearson 2008, trigonometry developed primarily from the needs of Greek and Indian astronomers.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. I am Nadia Husna binti Muhammad Zainurain with metric number 01DKA 21F1135. Today I would like to present about application of trigonometry. The first one is trigonometry in construction. For example, trigonometry is used to measuring field, lot and areas and to install ceramic tiles. Second one is trigonometry in flight engineering, to take account their speed, distance and direction along with the speed and direction of the wind. Third, trigonometry in criminology, to estimate what might cause a collision in a car accident or how did an object fall down from somewhere. Trigonometry in marine biology, to find out how light level at different depths affect the ability of algae to photosynthesis. The last one is trigonometry in marine engineering, used to book and navigate marine vessels.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Aidil Azman bin Abdul Aziz. My register number is 01DKA21F11110. So, let's continue the trigo in architecture. The first one is, for example, architects have to calculate exact angles of intersection for components of their structure to ensure stability and safety. The second one is examples of trigonometry used in architecture include arches, domes, support beams and suspension bridge. So the third is architects design buildings and other structures. In addition to considering the way these buildings structures look, they also make sure they are functional and safe. So the last one is architects not only draw the plans for the building. Okay, the last one is architects not only draw the plans for the building, but they have to make sure the building follows safety codes and they also have to plan the budget for the building. Okay, trigonometry can be used to find the length of a wall. For example, you could solve this by using tangent. So the other one is, this is another example of how architects use trigo. For example, to see how far out something is. the trigo ratio you could use will be sine. So, thank you.
For mathematical solution with drawing, from the picture given, we can see that we have the distance between A and C, which is 10 meter, and the angle from A to B, which is 45 degree. The question needs us to find head between B and C. When we want to find head, we have to use tan equal to opposite over adjacent. So tan 45 degree equal to x over 10. X equal to 10 tan 45, and we have, and the answer is 10 meter. So the head for BC is 10 meter.
So this is the example question. So based on the example question, in trigo there are three formula we can use. The first one is cosine dash adjustment per hypotenuse. The second one is sine dash opposite per hypotenuse, and the last one is tan dash opposite per adjacent. So based on the question, we can use the first formula. This is the cos dash adjustment per hypotenuse. So the adjustment is 4.6 and the hypotenuse is 9.2. So we can use the calculator. We tekan shift cos, the adjustment is 4.6 ABC per 9.2, and we will we can use the calculator. We press the shift cos and we find the adjustment. The adjustment is 4.6, so we press the 4.6 ABC per 9.2. We will get the answer. The answer is 60. So the angle is 60. So that's it. Thank you.
Hi all, my name is Chandra, son of Dore Raju from DKA 1D. My matrix number is 01DKA 21F111. Today I want to explain a question about trigonometry in architecting. The question is, Birong Boys Corporation want to know the heights of the building that they built in 2021. According to the picture below, calculate the heights of the building, and we already know that the angle of the building, that is 60 degree, and also we know the width of the building, that is a 10 meter. So we can use the details. We can calculate the heights of the building. We can use the tangent theta, that is opposite over adjacent, for find the height of the building. The opposite is height labeled as a hex. After that, we can replace the details below that formula. That means tangent 60 equals to x over 10. Now can multiply tangent 60 and 10 for find the x value. The x value is 17.3, and lastly the height of the building is 17.3 meter.
In conclusion, we know that trigonometry is the study of the relationship between angles and sides of a right triangle. We realize that trigonometry can be used in many areas such as astronomy and architecture. They can aid in calculating many things. They can also be used in cars, desks, and benches. Without really climbing a tree, you can find the height easily with trigonometry. They can be so widely used in real-life application, and is very useful for most architects and astronomers. Thank you.